Good morning, everyone. Welcome to my channel. My name is Seonghee. Today, I'm gonna guide you through a 10-minute gentle good morning yoga practice. I created this video to help you to start off your day a little bit more peacefully and mindfully. We will begin in a lying down position. So go ahead, find your way onto your backs, on your mat, or in your cozy bed. Take your time and get comfortable with your body. And once you arrived, extend your legs out in front of you and release all the tension and your body weight to the earth. Bring your arms down by your side and allow your eyes to be closed and start feeling and scanning your body from top to bottom without any judgment. And take a deep breath in, start reaching your arms overhead, finding full body stretch. And then as you exhale, drop all your body weight to the earth. And take another deep breath in, finding full body lengthening and waking up. And then drop everything down as you exhale. And slowly squeeze your one knee and the other towards your chest and hug your shins with your arms. And extend your left leg long down to the earth and place your left hand to the outer side of your right knee, and then right arm goes to the outside, and gently bring your right knee over your left and your mount. Turn your gaze over to the right, or feel free to stay where you are right now. And relax the muscles in your face, and relax the shoulders and your heart to the earth. And stay here for a couple of more breaths. In and out through your nose. Feeling the connection beneath you and above you. Gently bring both knees all the way up back to center and extend your right leg long down to the earth. Right hand onto your left knee. Draw your left knee over to your right and your mount. And you can turn your gaze over to the left, or feel free to stay where you are and relax the shoulders and breathe here with love and compassion. Inhale, exhale out. Okay, bring both knees all the way up back to center and hug your shins with your arms. You may want to interlace your fingers here. And then squeeze your knees into your heart, giving yourself a full hug. Nice warm hug from your heart. And start making some ankle rolls. One direction, make some like 4 circles. And then switch the directions. And come back to center. And release your feet down to the earth and gently roll over to your right. Find your way up to a easy seated pose. Spine nice and tall. Sitting bones grounded to the earth. Reach your arms out and up over your head as you inhale. As you exhale, bring your hands at your heart center. One more deep breath in, reach your arms up. As you exhale, right hand come down to the earth. Inhale to your left fingertips, lengthen. As you exhale, lean over to the right and your mount. Feel the side body stretch. Inhale, come all the way up back through center. Exhale, left hand comes down to the earth. Take a deep breath in, right arm goes up. Exhale, lean over to your left and your mount. Pull your ribs in and right hip grounded. Inhale, come all the way up back to center. Exhale, right hand back down to the earth. And now we're gonna go into our twist. Left hand onto your right knee, right fingertips behind your back. Take a deep breath in, lengthen the spine. As you exhale, twist your torso over to the right, starting from your core and your chest and your head. And relax the shoulders and relax your eyelids, softening your gaze. Inhale and then exhale out. And now bring your body back to center, facing forward. Right hand onto your left knee and left fingertips behind your back. Take a deep breath in, lengthen the spine, rise up. As you exhale, twist your torso to your left. Inhale, get taller. Exhale, maybe twist a little bit deeper, peeling your left shoulder a little bit more if you can. Breathe and feel. Nice. Gently bring your body back through center, facing forward, and release your hands. Take a deep breath in, arms out and all the way up. Exhale, interlace your fingers and flip your palms up towards the sky. Inhale, get taller. Exhale, shoulders down, away from your ears. One more deep breath in. As you exhale, release your hands and bring your arms to the outside to your shoulder heights. And then take a deep breath in. As you exhale, press your palms to the outside, away from each other. And then start making some shoulder rolls. One direction. And then switch sides. Nice. Bring your hands onto your knees, palms facing down, and then start shimmying your shoulders however you want to create to your practice and your morning. And then start shaking out your arms and your fingers and your hands. Maybe sprinkle some of your sweet essence all over the earth. Nice. And now bring your hands at your heart center into prayer pose. And allow your eyes to be closed. And stay here for a couple of moments to feel your body and your breath and your mind. And I want you guys to repeat this phrase inwardly. I welcome today as a chance to see more beauty within me and others. I welcome today as a chance to see more beauty within me and others. I welcome today as a chance to see more beauty within me and others. Thank you so much for practicing yoga with me today, and I hope you have a wonderful rest of your day. I'll see you soon. Namaste.